What's up, Freaks of HHN fans? I am here today with
Dave from Orlando and Dave Spook Central.
Make sure you give them a follow on both of those accounts all over the place. If you don't, we're going to come find you in the fog.
Yes.
But anyways, to get back to what we're here for today, we are here to build the new 8-foot Demogorgon animatronic from
Huge.
HalloweenCostumes.com. It is huge.
What if I wanted to get a discount?
If you want to get a discount, we're going to link a link in the comments or in the post to save you, believe it's 15% off on any in-stock item with HalloweenCostumes.com with our exclusive Freaks code. So.
Yep. So I guess it's
let's
time to build our demise.
Let's go to the upside down.
Yes.
All right. First, you take a B and a C. Well, it only goes where the hole is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So there you go.
You can only stick it where the hole is. So
there it is.
The nice thing about this is they all have these little
nubbies.
Pins. I'm not sure what they're called. The good thing about that is it's very large, as you'll see, and that way, if you want to store it at some point, you're not putting screws in or doing something that'd be permanent.
As for people like me, we're crazy. We're gonna leave it up all year round.
Yeah. We're
gonna be going to the upside down this final season 2 of Stranger Things season 5 coming up.
Yeah.
So it's perfect for watch parties as well. And it slides. Well, maybe not. Oh yeah, that's right. That's just the stopper. That has the open one. Yeah, because the little toes are on the insides.
And down here is a little hook, so that's how you know you're putting it in the right spot.
Make sure it doesn't fall over. Safety first.
Yes. Even with a Demogorgon.
I think I got yours.
Oh.
Right? No? Maybe? Nope. There we go. It's in.
Yep.
So much smoother.
Yeah. Shaping the quick connect push buttons. There we go. That's what it's called.
Quick connect push button.
Quick connect push buttons.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, because this has to go in.
Yep.
Now?
Well, not yet.
Okay.
But it's set up for when we put it in.
There we go. Yeah, because we would have done it the other way backwards.
Exciting step-by-step process.
Yes. We are not professionals, people.
Oh, I was just going to say, leave it to the professionals.
You better call somebody then, because it ain't me.
Leave it to professionals, or you can just leave it to us.
Just do what we do. I don't know if this is right.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the holes. Got to make sure everything lines up just perfect on this.
There's like little parts on the bottom.
These ones,
line up.
this, got clips up top. So it's pretty secure once you get it together. Let's just making sure they all line up with all the holes around here.
Well, wouldn't that be appropriate if it was upside down?
It would be. Haha.
The nice thing is that you can reverse these.
Yeah, even though it does click, because we were scared when we heard that, but. Yeah, I think it's in.
So this is a good time to show you this. There are some stakes and some bolts. If you want to tie this down outside, there's also some kind of outriggers, I guess, to go if you want to put it on uneven ground. The bolts attached to the hips, this little piece here, which makes it a lot more sturdy.
We're just checking connections real quick.
Okay.
But the nice thing is about those stakes is they are heavy duty. Like,
yeah,
your Demogorgon will not be flying away. If installed properly, I should say.
Yeah. I know it says here no.
No, it doesn't.
Because the part letters are N
O.
O.
And it's actually spelled NO2 in the right order.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're on to the torso.
So pro tip, it doesn't tell you to plug in the torso until a few steps later once you have it on this body, but seems to make sense to plug it in while it's not all the way up here. So that's what we're gonna do.
Because it is big, like super, super big, so.
Why don't you just try me?
Try me. Don't say why me, say try me.
Sure.
And then the cord goes right there. We can't put this on yet anyway because we gotta put the arms on first, right?
Yeah. So that's a close-up look at what you have inside.
Which is what I was gonna do right here as well. But if you look in there, there is a button that turns off the sensitivity and puts it on the try me mode.
Yep.
And then you also have, obviously vice versa. You can put it just on try me.
Because there's two options. There's the button, which is more like a retail store setup, and then the motion sensor on the front. If you have the button plugged in, it doesn't.
Well, you could switch it.
Oh, okay.
You can switch it back and forth. There is like a little switch inside. So you could tell it either way you want to do it. If you want it just button only, you can switch it just to button only. Or you could turn it on sensitivity as well.
So that's pretty cool.
The sensitivity is pretty cool because obviously you can scare your kids with it.
Yeah.
It's almost spooky season, people.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's always spooky season.
What you talking about, Willis?
So then there's a little slot here. You just line that up, twist it on.
So you got this here. A goes into B, basically.
Do not let your Demogorgon headbang.
Now comes a huge arms and shoulders.
Yes. Now the thing that I would recommend is you don't technically have to have the door open at this point, but it's a good thing because you're going to want to reach in behind to feel where to line up the arms, so it'll help guide them in.
And then on top of that, you want to make sure somebody else is with you because unless you have something to lean against, because he's top heavy right now with his head, so he will fall over.
He's got a big head.
Yes, as you can see, it's ready to eat people.
You use those little things that I already forgot what they're called, but reach inside as soon as you feel confirmed. Oh yeah, it's in there.
It definitely makes it a lot easier for you.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm crazy. I'm sticking my hand in his mouth. Hopefully he doesn't bite.
We'll see.
Once he's all together, he might.
Good for views.
Yeah, I lose my arm, man. We get 10 billion right there.
See what he does for you guys?
I'm dedicated.
Well, if it went the other way, the button wouldn't face the correct way. So it has to be.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Got it.
All right.
She's in. The head does look a little wobbly, though.
It's a very simple connection. You just can't see where you're lining it up.
Yeah, because obviously once he's together.
And then this, if you're, this one, oh, I hear it now.
This is your side.
Yeah. It's too bad you guys can't hear it outside because there's some thunder.
It's getting spooky.
Ooh.
Spooky.
Excuse me, sir. I don't know you that well.
Maybe this is your side. I gotta move this because the desk is in the way.
Yeah.
Make sure you give yourself plenty of working
yeah.
space. Because these arms are huge too.
You just have to really...
Teamwork.
Yep. Really turn it hard. Which is, you kind of don't want to because it is after all plastic.
It's not on all the way though.
No. Broke its arm. ER.
Did it break?
No, it popped.
And if your bones do that, you might want to see somebody.
Yeah.
I think we have it all together.
Yeah.
The only other thing, I don't know if you showed yet.
It says Stranger Things on the back.
It does. Cool. Netflix, Stranger Things.
Netflix. Oh yes, of course.
I don't know if he showed you the bars, but...
Yeah, I briefly did. So
these are optional as well. You can put these on the base down there for more stability if you need it around your house or outside. Or
you guys ready?
As soon as we get our...
Yeah.
Oh, it's on the sensitivity.
The Demogorgon waits for no one.
And there you have it.
Terror, you have it.
Enough terror to scare 10 kids in one box. I mean, you can see the massive size. I mean, we're about 5'8".
Yeah.
And yeah, we have to look way to the sky for them.
Wow. And surprisingly, the audio is pretty good. Like you usually used to a cheap little speaker. It sounds pretty good, I think.
We'll do it one more time for you.
So there you go. Again, if you want to save 50% on this or any in-stock item, you could go.
Click on our link in the description and in the comments. It'll take you to our specialized thing. 15% any in-stock item. It's definitely worth it. I mean, Halloween haunt season is coming up, and you want all the cool stuff, all the good stuff, and this is a must-have this haunt season. Like I said, even with Stranger Things coming up here, season 5, it'll be great at those watch parties. For sure. Big shout out to HalloweenCostumes.com. Thank you so much for sending us this amazing Demogorgon.
That's so cool.
And he'll haunt your home for a lifetime.
So once again, you are
Harry, Freaks of HHN. Make sure you give us a follow on everything, everywhere, and
Orlando Dave, but more relevant is Dave Spook Central.
If you don't go follow him now, we're gonna find you in the fog.
Yeah.
So, and we will see you in the fog soon.
We might just send this guy after his
Yeah.
He can run faster. Look how big his legs are.
Whenever he comes around, the lights start to flicker. So
You'll know you're doomed.
See you in the upside down.